Hopefully that will help you.
I got one foot. My waders and one not in.
It's not slip. Still pretty tight.
Is it time to keep the line tight like this so it doesn't get off? What the hell's wrong with it?
Seems bigger but very heavy.
Don't. Okay. Okay.
Good job! Oh my gosh! Grandma even got one.
I got one.
Is it, oh, sorry, did I need to measure it?
We should have, but.
Oh, I think this one is enough.
We'll
I think
hope
it's big enough.
Oops.
Probably got one anyway.
That's it in the
You
first
proved
one.
you could.
Aiden, you're good.
That's measuring.
Thought of the measuring just after.
Yeah, it's going to be a really close thing.
I think probably close this one.
There's paper somewhere.
Grandma have the wood stick.